Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my hair oil routine, how I do my hair oiling for the lustrous, smooth and shiny hair. So let's get started. First up, I'm taking this WOW+Skin+Science ginger hair oil, which is infused with ginger, rosemary and tea tree oil, which helps to clarify creasy and flaky scalp and give more life to thin and lifeless hair. It is suitable for all hair types and dermatologically tested. You can buy your WOW+Skin+Science hair oils from WOW app, as I have been constantly buying my WOW+Skin+Science products from WOW app due to app specific offers, as well as I do end up saving a lot of my money by scanning my QR code and redeeming my points on every single purchase I do. WOW+Skin+Science ginger hair oil has 99.9% plant-based ingredients, as well as it is a blend of pure cold pressed oil. For better blood circulation and deep penetration of the oils, I use my favorite WOW+Skin+Science stimulating scalp massaging brush, which is again one of my favorites, and this gives me the best head massage as well as oil application. After a good hair oil application, let the oil rest for 30 minutes and wash it off with your favorite shampoo and finishing it with a good conditioner or a hair mask. There you have your voluminous, dandruff-free and smooth and shiny hair. Simple yet intensive hair care with WOW+Skin+Science hair care range. We'll see you in another one. Till then, bye-bye.